Hi all, Mark D, CutRock'R here. These two historic builds here today have been sent off to Bathurst Diecast Racing. The old green slime AMG Mercedes has completed a DCR on the quarter mile and on open track, and for an old beater, competed successfully. With Bathurst being a hard surface, very long fast track, I really wanted to see and test how a suspension car went on it for future builds. The second casting is a Norev casting from France. I originally built it in early 2020 to compete at 3D King of the Mountain. Being a fraction over the width rules for King of the Mountain, yet the same as a Rally Cat casting, I did not send it in. Again, I had hoped to send it in to Grindelwald for a exciting experience, but yep, missed the boat there too. Being an old build, the car no longer has the leading edge for speed. However, it's a solid build car that was built for fat track. I don't think I'd like to be in front of it when it's coming through. Much time ago, I did arrange for a private test session over a hot car track. You can see the clips are contained here. See the lines the car takes, it bosses the track pretty well. Cheers. So check out Bathurst Diecast Racing on YouTube, and we'll see you there. Cheers all.